What's poppin', chef? It's Dynamite, and in today's video, I wanted to thank each and every one of y'all for subscribing to this channel. We just hit over 1,000 subscribers on this channel, and to celebrate, I dropped a new Jersey Club drum kit called 1K Abundance drum kit. The link to that will be in the description below, and I want to preview some of the sounds in it, and I will show you some songs that I've made using the drum kit. So let's get to it. Now, before we start, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. Here it is, the 808s. Some chops. Effects. Some hi-hats. Some open hats. Some perks. Some snares. A stab. Some vox. And that's it. And I'm gonna play a track I made using the drum kit.
Dynamite. That bitch ain't wanna tip, that bitch ain't want my jerk. I pull up on these hoes, I'm riding that spaceship. These hoes, they want my pole, these hoes wanted a dick. This bitch ain't want young cat, be on the track. Bitch, give me back, tatted on his back, I'm tatted on her neck. And I step up here, and I go on drip. Shawty wanna fuck, she don't wanna flip. I be on the X, I be on the pill. Bitch, you wanna fuck my ex still. Trapping in the hell, so one in the hell. Better how I feel, been cool no deal. Bitch, you wanna fuck, shawty wanna feel. Shawty wanna feel. Dynamite. Shawty wanna feel.
And that's the track I did. Now the next track was made by Chills, and I'll play you it. And the last track I have to show is a track me and Night did. I'll play that now.
Wait.
Down with the devil. You just the guy, you gon' down with the metal. We pull up a glass and we shoot at whoever. Fuck nigga bitch on a burn on a metal. When I burn my teeth, put the scrap on the drugs. You take her to eat, but I take her to plug. She eat on this D till a problem gets settled. Sippin' on lane like it's alcohol. Nigga, this the block, hit 'em, make 'em fall. We choppin' shit up like a saw. No, I keep them crips up on call. If a nigga down bad, no nigga get the hammer. We gon' nail a nigga ass to the wall. We be hitting the leaks and all. From the bando to the mall. All street, 3 weeks, 3 deep. With them toppers in the fucking back seat. Freaking bitch on go when she gone off the roll. All she wanna do is don't get geek. Nigga feel like the first day of school in this bitch. Uniform shirt, digging pan creek. If you hang with the op, then that's where you deceive. Put a hole in this time, now you lost you, but better than ever. I'm rocking that powder, I down with the devil. You just the guy, you gon' down with the metal. We pull up a glass and we shoot at whoever. Fuck nigga bitch on a burn on a metal. When I burn my teeth, put a scrap on the dress. You take her to eat, but I take her to plug. She eat on this D till a problem gets settled. sipping on.
And that's it. So the drum kit's available for free in the description below and also in the comment section. Also, the songs you heard will be available in the description below as well. And see you in the next one.